Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super powerful that can dramatically boost your product's visibility and engagement. Product QR codes by QRCodeChimp. We'll cover everything from customizing your page to designing your QR code itself. Let's get started. Visit QRCodeChimp.com. When you land on QRCodeChimp homepage, you'll see a variety of options. To create your product QR code, first, choose Product QR Code from the types of QR codes available. This will bring you to the dedicated creation page. Simply go to the Your Page Code field and enter your preferred text. Our first step, and this one's optional but highly recommended for branding, is to customize your page code or URL. Instead of a random string, you can make it something memorable and reflective of your product or brand. This makes your QR code landing page feel even more professional. Next up, choosing a page template. This is where you pick the look and feel of the information page your QR code will link to. Think about your product's aesthetic and target audience. QRCodeChimp offers a diverse range of templates for various product types, from sleek and minimalist to vibrant and engaging. Pick one that perfectly fits your product's needs. Now, let's add your product information, the core of your product QR code. This is where you tell your story. You can include product details, compelling descriptions, stunning images, and even engaging videos. The beauty of using QRCodeChimp lies in its flexibility. You can add, delete, or rearrange components to present your information in the most effective way. Make it informative, visually appealing, and persuasive. Looking to go above and beyond. Step 4 involves adding optional components to enrich your product page further. This could be anything from social media links, testimonials, business hours, or even a PDF gallery with more detailed specs. These extra elements can significantly enhance the user experience and provide even more value to your customers. Now let's make your page truly shine with custom design. Step 5 is all about modifying the page design to match your brand's identity. Think consistency from your website to your product packaging. You can customize the background, choose your brand colors, select specific fonts, and even add a page loader to ensure a seamless and branded experience for anyone scanning your QR code. Here's where your QR code gets its unique personality. In the QR code tab, you can totally customize its design. Forget those boring black and white squares. You can experiment with different QR shapes, choose colors that align with your brand, and most importantly, add your brand logo right in the center. This makes your QR code instantly recognizable and reinforces your brand. Remember to click the X icon on any pop-ups to save your changes as you go. We're almost there. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save your QR code. Click the Save button, give your QR code a descriptive name, and modify the URL one last time if needed. You can also organize your QR codes by saving them into specific folders. And finally, the most crucial step before printing, test your QR code. Scan it with various devices to ensure it's easily scannable and functions exactly as intended. This guarantees a smooth experience for your customers. And there you have it. Creating a product QR code is a fantastic way to bridge the gap between your physical product and your digital presence. It's a powerful tool for boosting visibility, providing rich information, and ultimately, driving more engagement with your customers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments how you plan to use product QR codes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.